Trying to figure out how much you should invest can be a big stumbling block when it comes to starting your wealth journey. But it shouldn't be. In today's volatile economic climate, leaving all of your money in a bank could mean that you lose out to inflation. Investing, whether it's a modest amount or a substantial amount, is a pivotal step towards securing your financial future. With options available for every budget, from £10 to £1,000, let's explore how you can find the right investment path for you. My name is Ash. I'm a financial planner based in London. I help my clients make informed financial decisions to live their ideal lifestyles. If you'd like to book in a free discovery call with me, head down to the description and you'll find a link to book that in. When it comes to money, your journey will often start with budgeting. This crucial step helps you to calculate how much disposable income you'll have left after covering all essential expenses. A widely recognized guideline is the 50-30-20 rule, which suggests allocating 50% of your income towards necessities, 30% to wants, and 20% towards savings, investments, and debt repayments. Whilst this 50-30-20 rule serves as a useful framework, it's important to remember that it is a starting point rather than a one-size-fits-all solution. Personal finances are all quite unique, and strict application of this rule might not align with everyone's individual circumstances. For a more accurate assessment, a detailed analysis of your cash flow position is essential. This involves scrutinizing your income sources, your fixed and variable expenses, and any existing financial obligations. This in-depth approach reveals a much clearer picture of your actual disposable income. This allows for much more informed investment decisions. Recent data suggests that whilst the average UK adult has £17,635 in savings, a concerning 34% have less than £1,000 set aside for emergencies. An ideal emergency fund covers at least 3 months of expenses, which is a goal that a lot of people find challenging. Your investment horizon should mirror your financial goals and your risk tolerance. Longer investment periods usually accommodate for higher levels of risk, potentially leading to greater returns through the power of compound interest. Understanding the spectrum of investment risks is essential. You need to know what could go wrong with each individual investment type. It's all about finding the balance in your portfolio that aligns with your comfort with risk and your financial objectives. Risk appetite tends to vary a lot between individuals. It's influenced by a number of factors like your age, financial responsibilities, income stability, and personal comfort when it comes to things that have uncertainty involved. A deep understanding of your risk tolerance is crucial when trying to craft a portfolio that reflects your actual personality and goals. Starting small is key. Invest with the smallest amount that you feel comfortable with and plan for gradual growth over time. The investment landscape offers countless opportunities suitable for all budgets. The crucial part is taking that first step. If navigating these choices or understanding the economic landscape feels daunting, professional guidance can make the world of a difference. A financial planner can offer you tailored advice, always considering your individual financial circumstances, goals, and risk tolerance. They can help you navigate beyond any kind of 50-30-20 rule, crafting a financial plan that resonates with your personal financial aspirations.